A trigraph is three letters that make one sound.
Air, ear,
Or.
Let's see and learn about the trigraph air. Letter A makes the sound A. Letter I makes the sound E. And letter R makes the sound R. These three letters join together and makes the sound air. Let's see some words with air sound. Air, craft, aircraft, aircraft. Air, pear, pear. Air, lair, lair. Air, chair, chair. Air, fair, fair. Air, ship, airship, airship. Let's see and learn about the trigraph ear. Letter E makes the sound Y. Letter A makes the sound A. And letter R makes the sound R. These three letters join together and makes the sound ear. Let's see some words with ear sound. Ear, pear, pear. Ear, gear, gear. Ear, tear, tear. Ear, here, here. Ear, near, near. Ear, fear, fear.
Let's see and learn about the trigraph O-R-E. Letter O makes the sound O. Letter R makes the sound R. And letter E makes the sound Y. These three letters join together and makes the sound OR. Let's see some words with OR sound. Or, more, more. Or, chore, chore. Or, snore, snore. Or, before, before. Or, war, war. Or, store, store.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.